Have you ever been to a picnic and you go to reach for your soda and you don't remember which can is yours? Or you know which can it is, but then you get ready to take a drink out of it and a bee flies out of it. I have just the solution for you. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Life of Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis, and we have another review today. And today we're going to review the pop or soda can lid covers. These come, I got these from Amazon for about $7. You can't choose the colors, it's assorted colors. But what you basically do is just pop your can open. Once you've got your can popped open, take your lid, line it up with the drinking spout, and push it on. Once it's on, you can take this outside. It's great for barbecues or picnics or something. Everybody can have their own color top so they know which pop is theirs. And keep the bugs out. Just close the lid. Want a drink? Just open the lid. I use these all the time outside in the garden. Keeps the bugs out. If you get the top on correctly and tight, it will not leak. So I think this was a very good purchase. It's kept bees out of my pop. There's nothing like taking a drink of pop and having a bee in there. So I really, if you work outside, you play outside, do anything outside with pop, you know, bees and wasps, they just love that sweet stuff. So this really is nice. Like I said, everybody knows what color they get. Keeps the bugs out and keeps the spills. Even if you knock this over, it doesn't spill out. Love it. So I consider this a very good buy. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.